How to change phone number on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Instagram easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. At the top, you'll see Account Center. Tap on that. Inside the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. This is where you can manage your account information. Now tap on Contact Info. Here you'll see your current phone number linked to your Instagram account. To remove it, just tap on the number you don't want and then hit the Delete button. This will unlink that number from your account. If you want to add a new phone number or email, tap on Add New Contact at the bottom. Enter your new phone number or email and confirm it, and you're done. Now your Instagram account is updated with your new contact info. That's all for the video. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.